Ever wondered which place on Earth is the closest to the Sun and the Moon? Many people feel it would be some place either at the North Pole or at the South Pole, or probably up in the Himalayas, maybe at Mount Everest. Well, that is not true. Heard about Ecuador, where fascinating things happen? Ecuador is a beautiful country in the continent of South America, known as a birdwatcher's paradise, with about 132 species of hummingbird alone. Colonial architecture, and of course, this place, the Equator, an imaginary line at 0-degree latitude. There are certain strange scientific things that you can experience here. Some true, some exaggerated. Like for example, no one can walk straight on the equatorial line. People fall. At different places here, the flow of water is also different. Clockwise in certain places, anti-clockwise in others. At the equator, the water literally falls straight through. In fact, this place at equator at 12 noon, your body will cast no shadow because the sun would be directly overhead. Why does all this happen at Ecuador? Because Ecuador has the equator line passing through it, which is an imaginary line that divides the Earth into northern and southern hemisphere. As the Earth spins, a strong force pulls out at the equator in opposite directions. This means gravity is weaker at this place. So we can get closer to the sun or the moon from the equator. The Chimborazo volcano in Ecuador is the closest to space than any other point on the planet. Fun fact: Ecuador in Spanish means equator. Learn something new? Subscribe for more.